Welcome back. Today we're breaking down one of the most practical and powerful tools for beating procrastination, Mel Robbins, the 5-second rule. If you've ever struggled with hesitation, self-doubt, or just can't seem to get started, this video is for you. We'll explore how this simple rule works, the science behind it, and how you can use it to transform your habits and your life. The 5-second rule is a self-management technique designed specifically to combat hesitation and procrastination. Developed by Mel Robbins during one of the toughest periods in her life, the rule is as simple as it is effective. Whenever you feel the urge to act on a goal, count down from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then move. Don't wait, don't overthink, just act. Robbins discovered this rule when she was struggling with motivation, anxiety, and a failing career. Inspired by a rocket launch countdown on TV, she decided to try counting down and launching herself out of bed. That single action set off a chain reaction, helping her break out of inertia and take back control of her life. Procrastination isn't just laziness, it's our brain's way of protecting us from discomfort, fear, or uncertainty. When you hesitate, even for a second, your brain's amygdala kicks in, triggering self-doubt and excuses. This is why, in just 5 seconds, your mind can talk you out of doing something you know you should do. Overthinking makes even simple actions seem overwhelming. The longer you wait, the more reasons your brain invents to avoid taking action. This is where the 5-second rule becomes a game changer. The magic lies in the countdown. When you count backward, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, you interrupt your default habit loop. This activates your prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain responsible for decision-making and self-control. By the time you reach 1, you're primed to act before fear or doubt can take over. The rule is backed by neuroscience. It tricks your brain out of autopilot and into action mode. The more you use it, the more you reinforce new neural pathways, making decisive action a habit. You can use the 5-second rule anytime you feel hesitation about something you know is good for you. Here's how to getting out of bed. When the alarm rings, count down and physically get up before your mind convinces you to hit snooze. Starting a task. If you're avoiding work, emails, or chores, count down and begin immediately. Speaking up. Nervous about sharing an idea in a meeting, count down and speak before you talk yourself out of it. Breaking bad habits. Use the countdown to stop yourself from acting on negative impulses, like snapping in anger or reaching for junk food. The key is to act as soon as you finish the countdown. Don't wait for motivation or the right feeling. Action comes first, motivation follows. Hesitation is the enemy of action. Even a split second of doubt can trigger your brain's defense mechanisms, leading to avoidance and procrastination. The 5-second rule interrupts this process by shifting your focus from thinking to doing. By counting down, you distract your mind from fear and excuses, and you engage your prefrontal cortex, which is responsible for intentional action. This small act of counting backward is enough to override your brain's autopilot and create a bias for action. Over time, using the rule consistently helps you build confidence, resilience, and a proactive mindset. You start to trust yourself to act even when you don't feel ready. Let's say you struggle to get out of bed in the morning. Normally, you hit snooze and start the day feeling behind. With the 5-second rule, as soon as your alarm goes off, you count down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and get up. This small victory sets a positive tone for your day and builds momentum for tackling bigger challenges. Start small, use the rule for simple tasks to build confidence, create triggers, set reminders or cues to prompt you to use the rule. Be consistent. The more you use it, the stronger the habit becomes. Reflect. Notice how acting within 5 seconds impacts your productivity and self-esteem. Isn't it too simple to work? Many dismiss the rule because of its simplicity, but that's what makes it powerful. It's easy to remember and apply in any situation. Does it work for big, complex problems? The rule is most effective for initiating action, not for solving complex issues in one step. Use it to start the process. Take the first step, make the call, write the first sentence. Can it help with bad habits? Yes, you can use the rule to pause and redirect negative impulses, giving yourself a moment to choose a better response. Every time you use the 5-second rule, you reinforce a virtuous cycle of action and confidence. The more you act, the more you trust yourself to act again. Conversely, giving into hesitation creates a vicious cycle of self-doubt and procrastination. The 5-second rule is more than just a countdown. It's a tool for reclaiming control over your life. By bridging the gap between thought and action, you can overcome procrastination, build new habits, and unlock your potential. Remember, you don't have to feel ready or motivated. You just have to start. If you dare to start, you dare to succeed. Ready to stop procrastinating and take charge of your life? Try the 5-second rule today. The next time you feel hesitation, count down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and take action. Don't wait for motivation, let action create it. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe and share it with someone who needs a push to get started. Comment below. What's the first thing you'll use the 5-second rule for? Let's get moving together.